Alright, I'm getting a little bit later start than I want. It's almost 9 o'clock. Driving a closed vehicle with several thousand bees is a little unnerving. But we're going to go out to where we've got our land. I'm going to build a top bar beehive and hopefully get this going. But first, we got to go by Whataburger and get a taquito. And then this is the rest of the barn that we've been working on for a while now. So I'm going to work on getting a top bar beehive built. Got the tools out here, and we'll see how it goes. Got the bees over here, spraying them with some sugar water, so hopefully they'll calm down a little bit. Alright, more to come. Alright, here's what I got so far. These are going to be the two end pieces. I'm going to have two like this. So basically it's creating almost like a triangular prism with a basically flat base. So the top is 15 inches, the bottom's going to be 5, and then these walls are 12 inches. So here's a piece that's 36 inches long and 12 inches, so it's going to screw in like that, and then we'll have another one there, and then we'll put dividers. We'll need a bottom screen, and then we'll just put some scraps on for legs. I don't think the exact sizes on this type of thing is all that important. All the lumber I'm using is just scrap lumber. I didn't pay for any of it. I did spend 28 cents on a new pencil. So that's kind of what we're doing, and hopefully it'll come together. Alright, so here's the main part of the beehive. So it's all screwed together. So again, you can see it's real simple. Nothing has to be too exact. Scrap lumber works. No exact measurements needed. So on this bottom part right here, I'm just going to put a fine mesh, maybe some hardware cloth. That way it gets good ventilation, but it prevents things that might destroy the bees or attack the bees from coming in. And then kind of across here, across the top, I'm going to put bars, and I'm going to melt some bee wax, so it'll be a starter place for the bees to do the hive. So almost done. So we put some legs on it. This is the follower, so you put this in so that the bees don't go to the whole hive and they work on just the front part. These will be the top bars. So we'll put some beeswax along this, and those fit in like this. And so the bees crawl in the hole and they'll build the combs off of the top bars. Alright, so flip one of those. We've got the beeswax on there. Alright, we have some repurposed screen, and that goes on the bottom to keep predators out but let the air flow. So now we're ready to go take this and put some bees in it. and hopefully live through the experience. I gotta take this cork out because it's got candy on the other side of this. There we go. So this queen is supposed to, well, we're just going to put her there because I don't have another, that little tab fell off.
Is there a way to get her out of there?
They'll eat through the candy and get to her within a couple of days. Coming along, amazingly. I don't know if I got most, but good number. Alright, mission accomplished. Headed back home. Gotta get cleaned up. My daughter wants to go see Soul Surfer. And then we've got a birthday dinner tonight, so I'm probably going to be in a little bit of trouble. I'm running kind of late. And but anyways, not too bad. On the top bar, Beehive. I didn't have any real plans, just looked at some pictures and read about some people that had done them. So it went together pretty easy. Scrap lumber, scrap materials, and I only had to buy a box of wood screws. Definitely worth trying if anybody's interested in doing it. Pretty easy, and hopefully it'll work. One thing that we have to do is put some sugar water out pretty regularly because it's so dry and there's not a lot of blooms and things for the bees right now. So hopefully we'll do okay. I'll check on them here in a little bit and we'll give everybody an update. Thanks.